Hey Scorpio, I hope you guys are doing okay out there. We're going to take a look at your individual energy. I did pull 5 cards. We're going to go ahead and get right into it. The Empress reversed is coming up. Some of you guys have this Taurus energy, or this person is showing up, or some of you guys, this is somebody that you maybe, I don't know, this could be a mother figure. This could be a mother-in-law that shows up in your energy. This could also be somebody's wife, or somebody that you're dealing with could be married, or maybe you play the role of an Empress reverse. Some of you guys could be, I don't know. Somebody could be married and not telling you. Somebody could be a side piece, all right, straight up. There's something here with this energy, though. Scorpio is clingy, so somebody might be trying to cling to you. For some of you guys, I get this feeling that it could actually be a parent here who's clingy, could be a mother-in-law. It says here that this person is financially dependent in some cases. This creates some sort of jealousy. This also says that this person is dangerously overspending. So there's a lot of spending going on. For some of you, this is a child's mother who might be requesting funds. They depend on you for money or something like that. Maybe they keep coming to you guys asking for money. This card also goes on to say that if this is a wife, there's something where she is linked by her husband's heritage. So she married into a family here. Somebody could be dealing with an ego, it could be an ego. Somebody could have an ego problem, but I get ego. So I don't know if this is sports related or something like that. I also see here, there's something where somebody might be having some paternity issues. So this could be a woman coming, or somebody saying that you're the father or something like that. There's some paternity issues. So there are some questions about paternity. Scorpio, your next card up, we have the 8 of Pentacles comes up reversed here. Now, I feel like this is in relation to this Empress reverse, so take it how it resonates, please. Mother-in-law, mother, baby mother, I don't know, side piece, however this goes for you. 8 of Pentacles comes out reversed. You guys are feeling really overcommitted to something, so I feel like there's a lot of focus on work. I feel like you guys are focused on your work. I feel like for some of you guys, there is something that you're waiting for, you're working towards. For some of you, you're working simply so you can stay away from this energy, this Empress reverse. It's almost like it feels like avoidance in a way. I feel like whatever happened here with this Empress reverse, because the cards reference, you can't turn back the hands of time. So with that, I feel like there's some regret had, or maybe there were some decisions, maybe there's something that you would have done differently with this person, right? For some of you, maybe I would have handled my mother-in-law differently, or my mother differently, or my child's mother differently. You know, maybe I would have married somebody else or something like that with the Empress reverse. Somebody could be miserable. Somebody could be miserable. They don't want to work. They're dependent on you for money, resources, something like that. Scorpio's coming up for you. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Empress reverse who's a Capricorn, a Taurus, or Virgo. Now, with this 8 of Pentacles coming out reversed, it does talk about you guys feeling overcommitted. So you could have a lot of bills. Somebody could feel overcommitted to bills. Somebody could owe people favors. There's also something here about bills, favors, and not being able to turn back the hands of time, yes, but also making some sort of an agreement. So there was an agreement made, right? That you guys took on some sort of responsibility for yourself or for somebody else or something like that. There was an agreement made, and now it says that you want to escape this agreement. Like, I don't want to deal with this anymore. This agreement could be a marriage for some of you guys here, because the cards do say that somebody married in to a family. Like, you know, my money's tied to his heritage. My wealth is tied to his name, his heritage. Something like that. So some of you guys could still be ignoring this person. This Empress reverse could be somebody that you guys were with like a long time ago, and they're still hanging on by name or whatever. Like, I remember my family, my sister-in-law, she was hanging on by name. Even the kid that she came home with that don't look nothing like us, she even gave that kid our name. It was just really weird. It's like one of them hangers-on, desperate people. Desperate, right? Because at the end of the day, what we're asking you guys to do is look at what is underlying here, right? I want my child to have the same last name as me, or the same last name as my known husband. So it don't look so crazy, because the situation already look a little weird, right? So what I want to do is just make sure that it's nothing glaring initially, like no initial glares, nothing that would make anybody look twice. Everybody's last name is the same, so who's going to look, right? Until you actually see what the picture, you understand what I'm saying? So it's something like that coming up for you guys. There's something that's like underlying here. You guys are ignoring somebody. Could have something to do with fertility issues. Somebody might be coming to you guys. There's also something here where there's regret about some contract made, but also there's some regret about a project. For some of you guys, you were offered some sort of a project, Scorpio, and you now regret taking that offer because you didn't get anything out of it. All you got was a bunch of stress. It says here that you took on something that was high stress with little pay, and you actually signed your life away. It says that you signed your life away for the foreseeable future. It says that you wanted to escape the trap. There's something where you found out some sort of confirmation here with your Eight of Pentacles. That is your body of work. That is something that you do. So you guys are working, but this story for this card really is about a body of work. Somebody may have tried to take something from you. For some of you guys, you may have went into some sort of an agreement about somebody's work. And now you're having regrets. You're like, wow, I shouldn't have done that. But it goes on a bit further. It says that your instinct told you not to do something regarding somebody's work, but you did it anyway, right? And now it's almost like you guys are, I don't know, trying to walk away or have to abandon something. So for some of you, Scorpio, you may have been working and there's this energy or something going on in the background underlying with these people who were trying to take something from you or take claim or stake, get some sort of money, return stake and something that you've been investing in, right? So somebody's trying to attach to you. It's this Empress reverse trying to attach to your work. The only reason why I would think somebody would attach to your work is so they can make money off your name or they can get a piece of the pie. Look at you working, this one laying on her back. You see what I'm saying? Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. Now, when we get to the next card, it does say with the Eight of Cups that there's some important decision that is being made. And Scorpio, I believe that this is you. There's some decision that you're making or some shot that you're calling here. There's something with an important decision that's going to be made about an established relationship. So this is a relationship that you guys are already in, currently in. It doesn't have to be love. It could be partnership in business or, you know, connected by child or something like that, right? So you guys are making some sort of a decision. It says that you, Scorpio, or whoever this is, carefully considered this for a very long time before deciding to take action. So you guys thought about this. How can I do this? How can I pull something off? Right? Whatever it is I'm trying to do. It also goes on to say the text. It says here, you decided to take some sort of action for some of you in romance. Some of you decided to take action in a romance that was already at a standstill. So it wasn't going anywhere, really wasn't doing anything. The cards say here that standstill only, something about only to end up walking away. So some of you guys, you consider going into a relationship. I'm walking away from a relationship. For some of you, you're like, I'm going to try it again. After thinking about it for a very long time, some of you guys think about it, but I feel like you guys might think I wasted some time thinking about a relationship or entertaining some relationship that I knew wasn't going to work anyway. It says here that you guys should have paid attention to your intuition in the first place. So some of you guys went back to a person. Maybe you went back to a person and maybe you shouldn't have gone back to this Empress reverse because you only ended up walking away again here. So you walked twice from this person. But the cards also say, and this is my belief, when I look at this, I'm going to say that there's an Empress reverse here who tried to sacrifice you. That's what it looks like. So there could have been a mother figure, a mother, a baby mother who wanted to attach themselves to your work. For some of them, they wanted you to walk away or wanted to make you feel like you were abandoning them or something like that, if we were to put it into perspective. Or this person simply wanted you to feel unloved, abandoned, like now you're broke. Now you got to walk away or something like that, right? So you guys are making a decision about a very established relationship, somebody that you guys are connected to, all right? And again, it's crazy because some of you guys are making decisions about a mother-in-law. Some of you guys are going to tell your mother-in-law off. You're going to be like, listen, you're going to need to go ahead and mind your business real quick. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but somebody's trying to attach to a body of work. It's almost like somebody's coaching there. somebody's coaching their kid or something, or somebody's being coached. Go after the body of work. That, the one working the hardest, that means, they got some stuff lined up. They got some money coming in. That's who you want to go get pregnant by. That one right there. That one is an ego. I don't know. That could be sports or something. Listen, to be honest, if you were to call it like ego, right? I'm not into sports, right? If I like sports, it's like because my father liked that team, or I like the colors. So it's like that. I don't really know. So for my point is, I don't know if an ego is a football or a basketball or whatever. I don't know. I'm sure if I thought hard enough, but I'm not into sports. Like, you guys might see me post stories about sports every once in a while, but I'm really not. And I don't know. I don't even know. I think it's like, last I looked up, it was basketball season. And then I realized it's actually football season now. So I don't know. Don't ask me. In any case here, with the 8 of Cups, there was a sacrifice that was made. A sacrifice that leads to a better future. Now, the question is, Scorpio, did you sacrifice somebody, or did somebody try and sacrifice you? It looks like there was this Empress reverse here. This Taurus energy could have partnered with a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo to have you guys feel abandoned or have you walk away from something, right? They made you a sacrifice. They made your body of work a sacrifice. I feel like they did this on purpose. You guys do get hit with the King of Wands, though. I feel like the King of Wands is you. I feel like you were the one that they were trying to ruin here with this energy. But I feel like they also tried to keep it from you. The King of Wands is somebody who is honorable. They are compassionate. They work with integrity, and they are wise. Empress reverse, body of work. I want you to abandon something. I have an important decision that needs to be made about an established relationships. For some of you guys, if you are a high vibing Scorpio, I believe you've had a karmic that came after you. There's like this karmic energy trying to come after you and attach to you because she doesn't want to work. She wants no parts of the workforce. She is not interested. There's no such thing as 9 to 5. There ain't even a 10 to 2. Like, she ain't even working a princess shift. Like, no, ain't interested. She's straight laying on her back. So I feel like there was an Empress reverse that purposely went after you because you guys were probably getting some bread. That's what it was about. So some decision is made, and I feel like it's you. It's either this Empress reverse made the decision to go after you, or Scorpio in the King of Wands energy, you turn around and think about this energy. Do I want to abandon this person? Is this relationship at a standstill? Is it going to go anywhere? I've decided to take some sort of action. For some of you guys, you decided to ignore this Empress reverse, have very little communication with this energy. Like, we're going to talk about the kids and we're going to hang up, or send me a text message, tell me how much so I can cash app, like that. Like, I ain't really trying to mess with you. I'm trying to give you exactly what the bill says and nothing more, because when I tried to give you a decent amount, you decided you was going to go to the courthouse on me, right? And then they charge you like 3 times more. That's what you get, right? Or they don't give you as much. I think it's more like they don't give you as much. We've had people where they paying you like $5,000 a month. You go to court, you're going to get $1,500. So somebody got like that. It's one of them people like that. Like, they're going to keep asking for more. They're going to keep taking you to court for more. Even though what you offered them was fair, they still want you, because they want not just for the kids, but they also want for their pockets. Sorry. That's what it is. I mean, if I talk crap about the dudes, like, of course I'm going to talk crap about the chicks. We wild too, I mean, you got some that'll go further than others, but I'm just looking at it. I'm like, oh my goodness. But I am trying to figure out this last part because I'm working this out with y'all. So the moon comes up reversed, right? This could be you making a decision to walk away from this Empress reverse. But this is also her making a decision to make sure she stays attached to you. So I don't know if I would have any encounters with this person, especially sexually, because she will come back and say she's pregnant. Like, for real. Like, she will give you a drink and already be pregnant by somebody else and pin it on you, but you can't remember because you was drunk. Like a dangerous type of energy where they're trying to entice you into something, entice you into some questionable position where they can take pictures. Just be really careful. Hold something over your head. I want the money, right? At the end of the day, this is about a body of work, but somebody could have also taken credit for your work when it was really yours, Scorpio. It could have been a Taurus who did this, or a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Somebody who's not in high vibing energy. Again, this is somebody who doesn't want to work hard. So they're going to try and take what's yours or take credit for what's yours, present it as their own. The King of Wands, though, and I did want to point out, this person is coming up as honorable. And I want to be very particular with this. Let me just go back to the verbiage because I love this part. Honorable, compassionate, works with integrity. They are unassuming. They are loved by family and friends. And in spite of all that, they still have energy and ideas. Parentheses, honorable conduct. Somebody can now express themselves, but honorable conduct. This King of Wands here represents somebody who is honorably, who's conducting themselves honorably. But it also says here that an Empress reverse attempted to sacrifice this person. In order for me to have hope for the future when it comes to what I want in my work, I need to sacrifice somebody. That's why you guys have the Eight of Cups here. It's talking about somebody making a sacrifice, which is you. All right, so we go back. A sacrifice now leads to a better future. Somebody upped you. It was this Empress reversed here again. A baby's mother, a mother-in-law who don't like you, a mother or mother-in-law that don't like you. Somebody's mother don't like you, or a baby's mama said, all right, I don't like how he did me or she did me, and they gave you up. They don't want you to know this, though, because I feel like somebody may have been offered something. Somebody walks in with an offer, or somebody walks in with some intent to get you caught up in something. They don't want you to know it, which is why you have the moon reversed here. A Pisces could have been in on this. It could have been a Pisces and a Taurus. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Really, it's like everybody here. But in terms of major arcanas, we do have Empress reversed, which is Taurus, and we also have Moon. So there's a Pisces and a Taurus, and on this Scorpio, all right, whatever this is about, these people were planning how they were going to attach themselves to you for some money and also sacrifice you. But then you go back and you're like, I'm thinking about walking away from these people. I'm going to focus on work to not pay attention to this one. But the moon coming out reversed here, a failure of nerve. I believe this Empress reverse had this whole thing mapped out, but they weren't able to do it because they didn't have the nerve to do it. Or somebody may have worked with the Pisces to do something and the Pisces failed at the task. I don't think this Pisces was able to complete something. A failure of nerve. They were scared to do it. You do not trust your feelings. Somebody kept ignoring their intuition. This could have been you. Scorpio, you could have been ignoring your intuition about a Pisces, but a Pisces really ignored a lot of things about you that they saw, or maybe they just, I don't know why this person didn't know, but they do now. It's like they know something now that they didn't know before. This Pisces energy is also coming up as overdependent, but they're overdependent on a mentor. The mentor could have been you, Scorpio, with this King of Wands, right? In this energy, you could have been the one protecting this Pisces here, the one who's overdependent on you. It says something about maybe you're a mentor to them, but it also says that this Pisces may have gotten themselves into some trouble. They should have examined some offers that came from somebody. So somebody made this Pisces an offer. I don't think that they went through the contract or something like that. It does go on to say that you need to look into something before moving forward in a relationship. So Scorpio, if you guys are dealing with a Pisces, you need to look at something to make sure everything is on the up and up in some contract. It says here that you might be overly dependent on this person. It could be for finances or something. I don't know. Not clear on that. But it also goes on to say that you guys need to check the fine print before you commit. So I'm feeling like this is about a relationship or something. I don't know. But I do want to pull these other cards. This Empress reverse, what difficulties or what do we need to know about this older woman? This Empress reverse, what do we need to know? Tell me what I need to know. Give me a story, please. Out of this deck, I want to know what's going on. Why is this woman reversed here? Okay, well, we got that. Propaganda. Somebody was probably spewing some bad words about you, or this person may have This Empress reverse has a bad reputation, but I feel like maybe they wanted to drag you down too. They may have been spreading lies about you with propaganda coming out reverse. So you guys had a Taurus that was gossiping about you or spreading some false propaganda, or at least that's what this Taurus thinks, or they thought you were talking about them. So they're like, all right, let me get to your body of work. Let me do something with your work. They could have tried to steal your work, insult your work, and then redo your work, something like that. Give me more, please. This person could be a part of a corporation, right? Somewhere where you work. This could be a coworker. This Taurus is probably a coworker, right? Somebody that worked up in a building with you. That were spreading news about you. Some fake news, lies. They were saying something about the work that you do, right? So, like, you know, I could be on YouTube, I could be on Twitter, whatever. They could lie and say I was out, you know, in the streets or something. Somebody who you're going to get some justice from. Scorpio, you guys are going to get some justice. There's a Taurus who was talking crap about you at work. You guys are going to get justice. Or there's a Libra that steps in. It could be the justice system. Yeah, it looks like the government steps in. There's going to be some justice from the government. So it looks like something's going to be corrected for a Scorpio. There was an evil corporation involved. You get justice, the government. So it looks like the government gives some justice, or the justice system is going to, I don't know, handle the government. I don't know how that goes. Somebody doing. So you're going to get some justice from at least a corporation. Also, there's a Libra stepping in, or you're going to get some justice from the government. Something like that. But also, I feel like in terms of reputation repair, there's some gossip that's going to be corrected. So Scorpio, whoever this Empress reverse is, it's going to be made public. This Empress reverse could actually be a Libra. It could actually be a Taurus. Whoever this person is, this Empress reverse, they're going to make the news. We also have boat. There was something that was done on a boat. Somebody's going to get justice from the government for something that was done on a boat. That's interesting. What boat would that be? There's an evil corporation here connected to the government who's going to give some justice for something that happened on a boat. I remember there was some people that were brought over on a boat. Quiet. Ain't that what the preachers say? Quiet. As soon as you say so, ooh, child, quiet. Woo. Even this angel singing on the TV, he got quiet. Some justice to the people on the boat. Look at that. What else you got for me, Lord? Give me more. What else do I need to know? What's up with this body of work here? So you guys are going to get some sort of justice. Justice is going to be served. The scales of justice. Top secret. Something is a secret. There's some kind of work that you were focused on here. For some of you guys, this Eight of Pentacles reverse is some sort of repair work that was supposed to be top secret, right? Somebody's trying to repair something. For some of you guys, this has to do with somebody trying to perfect their work. There's something that somebody's doing that is supposed to be top secret. It is classified. Somebody is working on something. A top secret classified efforts. Somebody's work. That's interesting. Give me more about this top secret body of work. What's up with this top secret body of work for Scorpio? The deep state. The deep state doesn't want you to know that there's a top secret classified something about a body of work. These people could be studying your work, or they don't want you to know. They don't want you to know something top secret. The deep state is scared about a body of work that talks about God. Okay. So the deep state is worried about the Bible being played out the way it said. The Bible's been here. It says the deep state is reversed. Either y'all somebody's rejecting God, or somebody, I don't know, somebody's questioning the prophecies of God. It's top secret. Deep state reversed God. I don't know what that means. It's got something to do with a body of work. It could have some questions in the Bible. A body of work that talks about God would be a Bible. Something is top secret. Give me more, because I'm not understanding. They're questioning whether or not God is real. Is it a counterfeit? They're asking if somebody's a counterfeit. This person working and doing their body of work, that they're reviewing this person. They can see this person working, and they're still wondering, is this a counterfeit, right? Is this coming out reversed here? So I think they're starting to understand that, no, this is not counterfeit. So there's some top secret study or review of somebody's work. And I did pick up, Scorpio, there are therapists that are examining you, or they don't look like they're examining. I think they're looking. It's almost like they're studying. Some of them in amazement. Some of them are just like, what's the big deal, right? So I feel like there might be some snootier ones out there looking. But somebody's not a counterfeit. Somebody turns out to be real. This person mastering their craft, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Or this is you. This is what they're doing to you. They're finding out you're not fake. You are not fake. It's top secret. Something about God. I think these people thought God wasn't real, and now they found out he's not a counterfeit. I think a lot of people waking up. What's this? Something about somebody being sad. Now, I did pull this card, and somebody's sad that they have to abandon something. Somebody's got to walk away. Or Scorpio, you're walking away from a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Whatever this is about, somebody's sad. You have to make this very important decision, Scorpio, about a relationship that is already established. One that is in your life. In some cases, it could be involving family members. But you guys have somebody who's a family member, somebody in your family. But this person who did this to you, Scorpio, I feel like they're in your family by marriage. I don't know if this person is, I don't know if it's one of them immediates. They were in on it too. A stranger. Yup, you're sad. This is one of them people married in the family where you really don't even know them like that. I remember my Uncle Junie. He's married to this lady named Mary. And that woman, yeah, he had a lot of wives. He had one out of California. Her name was Irene. And he told her some nonsense. That woman had 4 kids and moved all the way down. I was like, are you crazy? I just never seen nothing like it. But I knew then something was wrong with them people. I said, he ain't got good sense. And all his women he's married to Kay too. She ain't got good sense. But I don't know. I seen it all. I ain't never seen nothing like it in my life. People would do anything. But you got strangers all in here. People questioning whether or not you're God. Something about a counterfeit. These people are crazy. Stranger. There's a stranger moving all over the place for men you don't know. I'm sorry. I ain't got... Anybody could listen to him and tell... Like, that's how I know something is wrong with these. My Uncle Junie, like, that lady said the only way we could come to her wedding with him is if we serve food. I know that's what I was told. Now, my other cousins, they said it too. We was about to go over there and have some words with her. But we ain't go over there because she was over at the other church. Talking about the only way we invited is if we serve food. Ooh, child. Now, I knew... Like any woman, I ain't trying to be funny, but any woman he married, I already knew. I was like that, right? You know, whatever. Anyway, what else is going on? Give me 8 of Cups, because somebody's sad. This person who's sad and having to walk away from something is a stranger who did something. It was premeditated. There was a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that could have done something that was premeditated, or Scorpio, you believe something was premeditated. Give me one more. By this stranger you didn't even know. Chemtrails. This person probably manipulated the weather, or they manipulated something. This premeditated does take me back to one of them things from the judge. So it could have been a judge who manipulated the weather, right? You don't know this person. You could be sad about this person, but they still manipulated the weather. That equates to paperwork also, right? Somebody changed something. They manipulated something. Chemtrails come out reversed. Somebody's denying chemtrails, or there's something premeditated about chemtrails, obviously, but somebody's denying that. Now, I don't know who that's going to mean something to. Give me, what's up with this King of Wands? What's going on? This is the King of Wands. This is somebody who is an upright citizen. All right, this person's on the up and up. Honorable. All right, they're honorable. No hint of deception. King of Wands, what's up? Dating. Ooh. you had a stranger getting away with your dating life, King of Wands. All right, somebody went and said something, so this chick or guy or whatever didn't want to date you. Like, they tried to mess up your dating life. What else? Yeah, this is you. I think somebody did this to you, Scorpio. All right, manipulation. They did something dark or said something dark to make you look crazy and mess up your dating life. Manipulation. If you were to ask this person, this Aries, Leo, Sag, if they messed up your dating life, they're going to be like, no. But they're lying to you. They premeditated messing up your dating life. And drama. And now they're trying to avoid drama. So this person might be a punk. They're going to deny the drama. They're going to deny that they messed up your dating life. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What are they hiding? What's this moon reverse? What's coming out? Tell me about the moon reverse. There was a Pisces with a knife. Somebody had a knife, or there's something about physical violence here. Somebody may be guilty of physical violence, or somebody got blackmailed with a knife. The Pisces got blackmailed. They don't want you to know this, Scorpio, that a Pisces was blackmailed into doing something to you. More. This person was a rival. They don't want you to know it. So whoever blackmailed a Pisces into betraying you or something like that with a knife is your rival. Now, it's a secret rival. They don't want you to know who they are. Remember, this person's a punk. Now, this person is an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, possibly. Could be a Taurus. Pisces could be an enemy of yours. It says that they are a rival. It says that they blackmailed somebody. Either that or they blackmailed the Pisces. This Pisces was drugged up, right? Potion. This Pisces maybe doesn't remember something, but a Pisces was blackmailed with a knife by one of your rivals. Poison. I don't know if this happened in the past. Give me a card, one more for this. It was a parental figure. Somebody blackmailed a Pisces parental figure to allow some effery. A rival did this. Whatever that is, a parental figure. So, Scorpio, there's a parental figure working with a rival of yours to blackmail a Pisces. How is that relative? Give me one card. What is the connector? Actually, you know what? Let me connect it another way. How can I connect that? All right. Through a lady. The parental figure could be a lady. What did the lady want? What was the blackmail? Hold on. Hope, big water. I think this person wanted to travel somewhere. A good lady traveling. Give me more. I have hope for something. They were begging somebody for help. Prison. There might be a parental figure going to prison because they allowed something with poisoning. Somebody was blackmailed into allowing something. They were working with a rival, and now it looks like they're going to jail. They were trying to have some hope that they could get out of something. They were also willing to travel. So somebody could have traveled. This is a parental figure. So somebody was willing to travel to get away, but the good Lord did not answer the issues to their conflict. I'm reading the cards over here. The good Lord did not answer their prayers to get away. So this conflict was not resolved, and it looks like prison. That's what it says here. The outcome is prison for some parental figure. Some of you guys may have a parent that's going to jail. Or some cases, both of y'all's parents is going to jail, right? I'm being honest with you. Like, somebody could be in jail. Somebody could be in jail. It could even be a Pisces that's in jail too, Scorpio. You guys might have a Pisces that you don't know about. They're going to jail. This person could be a Pisces who's going to jail. They could be a parent. They might have children. Something happened under the influence, but this person was blackmailed into doing something, right? So that's what happens when you get into bed with the wrong people. This somehow took over to I don't know, something with the family. This premeditated chemtrails, this stranger, The stranger's from the military. They don't want you to know this. This stranger who's looking at you guys, who I guess premeditated this whole thing with you guys walking away from a situation where they wanted you sad, you know, who has an important decision to make, or you have an important decision to make about this person. They're in the military. The military is somehow connected to this judge, the manipulation of the weather with the paperwork. This military person is responsible for manipulating some documents. This body of work, the counterfeit, they said your work was fake. They said it's not yours. Counterfeit comes out reversed, but it is yours. Somebody no longer has murky thoughts. This could be you, or this could be anybody else who is judging this. It could be the deep state. Something is being done in top secret. Their thoughts are no longer murky about whether or not something is a counterfeit. It is not a counterfeit. The cards are coming out reversed. And just give me this boat. Give me this civil corporation or whatever's going on here. Expectation. They're saying that you should expect some sort of justice. So whoever this Empress energy is, or this Taurus who did something to you, you guys are going to get some justice for it. There's somebody who's going to deny drama. This King of Wands. I think this is your energy. You guys don't want any drama. You just wanted to date somebody. But you were manipulated by, it looks like an Empress reversed here. You were also being aggravated or manipulated by somebody in the military. So there's a couple of folk here. It's actually, if we look at it, that's a couple of folk. You got parents involved. You got top secret military people gossiping in the government. Other people, military, all types of... You must be something else. But remember, the reason why they're doing this is something here about God. Where do I see that? Right here. Somebody, I don't know what's going on, guys, but somebody's questioning God. Like, is it God or something? I don't know what that means. Give me one. Why would they? You know what? Here, this is what. Let me pull these. What is this? Hold on. Archangel. All right, so on the God card, I guess let's just... Yeah, why not? Why not pull an Archangel card on the God card? God, if somebody's studying you guys to question whether or not you're God or something like that, that is insanity. I don't know. Let's see. Now we got to bring the light down. That's what these... compassion. You guys may have a lot of compassion, and these people are trying to figure out how. God reversal, like, we've been so mean to you. How do you still have compassion? Let me just see. Archangel, hold on. Because these are like those, you know, those flashy cards. You can't even, like, I don't know. Archangel somebody. Soften your heart. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. Archangel, it looks like Zadkiel. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. That's the angel is advising you to try and soften your heart to these people who have tried to rob your work, rob you, destroy your life. They're saying that you should also take it easy on yourself, is what the angel is saying. Okay, so that's coming from the angel. I ain't gonna say nothing. And we all a work in progress. I'm gonna try my best, Archangel. I'm gonna try. I know me. I'm sorry. Listen, I'm trying to do better. Anyway, because I know I kept this a dark read on purpose. I wanted the cards to be a little bit darker. The story still kind of comes out the same, but it does also, it speaks to a lot of the characters in it, right? You have the military, a parent. You have some person here, some King of Wands. That could be you, because you just wanted to date. But I feel like this Empress purposely went after this King of Wands to corrupt him or her in a sense. But there's also here with somebody had the failure of nerve. Like, I have a failure of nerve. I'm not going to do something. You guys could have had a parent back out of this plan. Maybe they opted not to have you poisoned. I don't know. I think that's all I have for you. I think I'm going to leave it there. Is there anything else? No. Let me see something else. These cards don't make any sense to use because this is really... But let me get one of these. I'll end it with one of these. Because I use those no more. I'm just having fun now. So the angel's telling y'all to try and forgive these people. Well, it said have compassion. I got compassion, but I'm sorry. It's just, I don't know where your kid's going. You should have figured that out. Excuse me, guys. Tell me about this drama. What's this King of Wands, the drama, manipulation by the community? The community was manipulating something. Now the community doesn't appear to want to hear anything. Or they're rejecting this gossip. Yep. About this great fortune. The news is out that these folks are not getting the great fortune. Somebody was trying to date somebody for their great fortune and they found out they're not getting it. And in their thoughts is this woman. That's a sneaky person. Somebody wanted you for the money, a mature man. But this is a sneaky guy thinking about, I don't know, the mature man. The mature man might be having some trouble in a coffin. There's a community of people who was after some money that was left to somebody. It was a great fortune. The mature man, you got the sneaky guy trying to get in. They don't want any change. These people are probably living off the money already. So there's some drama coming out around the King of Wands, having to do with the parents, stuff like that. But I think that's it. Was there anything else? Just these. Hold on. Let me pull one of these for you, Scorpio. I'm Scorpio'd out today. But there is something here. Give me this card over here. Somebody's really praying. Something about big water. Somebody wanted to take off and go somewhere, but they were trying to stop from going to jail. It says the prison. Difficult times. Be on guard against chaos as unforeseen perils or emotional upheaval are foretold. So Scorpio, you guys are going to have some difficult times that you have to deal with. There might be something with prison coming up that you guys are going to find out about. Or give me one more, please. Manifestations. This should come out reversed here. A bountiful time awaits you. Your wishes could manifest right before your eyes. There might be some delays to it because of difficult times. One more. Reflection. Friendships in your life may come to an end. Others could blossom and become stronger. Now I got some friends going to jail. Y'all gonna find out some folks did some stuff to you. You're gonna find out it was company where you work. It was government. It was top secret research, whoever these people are, military. This is you, but this could also have been somebody you dated or a friend, but I really think that's your energy. But they were hiding something. You guys have a parent that hid something that a Pisces did or something. And I tell you, boy, these parents that give up their whole lives for their kings and their queens. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. Love you. Bye.